D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist here. We're going to the overnight edition. The overnight edition is going to be interesting. We're going to have the latest on Earl's effects, what may occur, high waves, rip current, speech erosion, wind. How high is the wind going to possibly be? How about the cities that may affect? The Outer Banks, Norfolk, Ocean City, Maryland, New Jersey, Long Island, and Cape Cod. And South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia would start Wednesday night into Thursday morning. A lot can change, as normal, with the tropical systems, so stay with liveweatherblogs.com and No Weather Radio. Here's the current storms out there. Earl's projection path gets really close to the Outer Banks now. It looks like almost on Outer Banks on this latest run before it makes the turn. It's going to be interesting to see what happens there. Computer model data also a lot closer to the Outer Banks than it was in the earlier runs. A satellite picture of Earl, clearly defined eye here, with a great central density overcast for being at 135 miles an hour. Davison risk factor. Let's go into that for severe weather today. 60 mile an hour, 60% in hail, 85 in winds, 50 in tornadoes. Taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, you can see there's the area: Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. Going into Wednesday for Nebraska, South Dakota, Kansas, and Iowa. 65% on hail, 90 on wind, and 55 on tornadoes. And here's the outlook there. You can see where it is best to be protected in that area. And for the TRIAD forecast, we're going to see the 90s continue. Going into the 80s by Sunday. We have to watch out here on Thursday, partly cloudy. We may have to have breeze, rain, wind. I don't put that in there at this point because it's too tricky to call at this point. That's pretty far inland, the TRIAD is. But if it gets really close to the coast and such a big hurricane, we may have some issues with showers or thunderstorms on Thursday. So just keep your head up. Same with the Roanoke Valley. But as of right now, I don't want to call for rain on Thursday, but make it cloudier than the rest of the week. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for the latest information on this situation. We'll have everybody, all the meteorologists blogging up and keeping you updated here at liveweatherblogs.com. D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.